back to English Cast Duo,
the podcast where you don't just listen to English, you speak it.
That's right, this is a safe space. No pressure, no judgment, just real English practice with two real voices. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. And today we're doing something special. We are building your morning routine.
Because how you start your morning is how you start your English journey every single day. If you start with English, you feel confident all day.
Exactly. Today is a full shadowing session. We are going to practice phrases you can use every single morning to describe your life.
Whether you are a beginner or intermediate, this video is for you. We will build this routine step by step together. Then we'll move to level 2, adding detail, frequency words, and connecting ideas. And finally, we have a special section on pronunciation secrets to help you sound natural.
And remember, if you make a mistake, or if you feel slow, that matters. It means you are trying.
That's right. You might feel silly speaking to a screen, but that is normal. Everyone starts there.
Progress doesn't come from perfection. It comes from consistency.
So, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's wake up your English.
So, let's start with a simple question. Mia, what is the very first thing you do in the morning?
Well, first, I wake up.
And then?
Then, eventually, I get up.
Pause right there. This is the most common confusion for learners. Wake up and get up.
That's right. Wake up involves your brain and your eyes. You stop sleeping. Your eyes open. You realize it is morning.
Exactly. But get up involves your body. It means you physically leave your bed, you stand up and put your feet on the floor.
So, you can wake up at 7 a.m., but maybe you check your phone, you stretch, you think about breakfast, and you don't actually get up until 7:15.
Does that sound familiar? I do that every weekend.
I think we all do. And that's okay. Understanding this small difference makes your English sound much more precise.
So, for our first practice set, we are going to use these phrasal verbs, plus a few essential morning actions.
We will say the phrase, leave a quiet space for you to repeat, and then move to the next one. Speak loud and proud.
Set 1, the simple routine. Short sentences. Focus on clear pronunciation, listen, and repeat. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I turn off my alarm. I make my bed.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I drink a glass of water.
I get dressed quickly.
I have breakfast.
I drink hot coffee.
I check my phone.
I leave for work.
Well done. Seriously.
Mia, I want to highlight one thing there. We said I have breakfast, not I eat breakfast.
That's a great point. You can say eat, but have breakfast sounds much more natural to native speakers. It flows better.
Exactly. I have breakfast. I have lunch. I have a snack. It's softer and more common.
Before we move to the longer sentences, let's look at a secret to sounding fluent. It's called linking.
Native speakers don't speak like robots. We don't say I wake up. We connect the sounds.
Exactly. When a word ends in a consonant and the next begins with a vowel, we push them together.
Listen to this. Wake up. It sounds like wake up.
Let's practice just that link. Repeat after me. Wake up.
Wake up.
And here is another one. Cup of coffee. We don't say cup love. We say cuppa.
Cup of coffee. Try that.
Beautiful. These small links are what take you from a beginner sound to an intermediate flow.
Now let's connect ideas. This is level A2.
When we move to A2, we stop listing facts. We start telling a story. We use connecting words like then, after that, and frequency words like usually or sometimes.
Mia, do you remember when you first started speaking a new language? Was it hard to make sentences longer?
Oh, absolutely. I felt stuck. But once I learned words like because and but, everything changed. Instead of just, I wake up, you say, usually I wake up early, but today I was tired.
That feels like a real human conversation.
Exactly. So if you're listening and thinking, this is getting hard, just breathe. We are going to go slow.
We will shadow these sentences together. Copy our melody. Pay attention to the pauses.
Ready, set, 2. Let's go.
Usually, I wake up around 7 o'clock, but I don't get up immediately.
Sometimes I press the snooze button and sleep for 10 more minutes.
First, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth.
After that, I make a fresh cup of coffee and have a light breakfast.
I try not to check social media immediately because I want a calm morning.
While I get dressed, I usually listen to an English podcast.
Finally, I grab my bag and I'm ready to start the day.
Wow, that was a big step up. You are doing amazing.
Even if you missed a word, you are training your mouth to move in English. That helps.
So now you can talk about your morning. But a conversation is a two-way street.
Exactly. You need to know how to ask people about their routines. This is great for making friends or small talk at work.
Let's practice 3 common questions you can ask anyone.
Question 1. Repeat after me. What time do you usually wake up?
Question 2. Are you a morning person?
That's a good one. And question 3. Do you have coffee or tea in the morning?
Perfect. Now you aren't just practicing by yourself. You are ready to talk to others.
We are almost done. This last part is pure shadowing for your mindset.
A good morning routine is also about how you feel. We are going to speak these sentences at natural speed.
Say these with confidence. Fake it if you have to. Believe what you're saying.
Let's finish strong.
I am starting my day with English.
I am getting better every single day.
Mistakes help me learn and grow.
I am consistent and I am proud of myself.
Today is going to be a really good day.
Take a deep breath. You did it.
You just spent almost 10 minutes speaking English. That puts you ahead of 90% of learners who only listen but never speak.
If you enjoyed this routine, let us know in the comments. Are you a morning person or a night owl? We want to see your sentences.
And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next practice session.
We're so proud of you. See you in the next episode.
Keep shining and keep learning. You've got this.